Here are some instructions on how to use ShipOut WMS system. Clicking on the app, first you will see a login page. This app is designed for mobile users as a companion for our warehouse management system website. It mainly cooperates with our WMS offline work. First, log in on both sides and submit the password. This is our homepage. You can see that there are several functions. Then log in with the same account on the web. Entering from here is the warehouse selection. Similarly, you can also select warehouse on the app. Click My Warehouse in the upper left corner. Choose the warehouse I need to use. We choose Test 1 Warehouse. Here, also choose Test 1 Warehouse. To use this WMS software, you must first create a product, that is, what will be stored in the warehouse. You can see the product we have created here is called SKU Test 1. After this product is created, we create a warehouse receipt. Tell the warehouse what goods are coming. Click to create a new one. Choose a sender address. Then enter the AWB number, which is provided by Major Logistics. Here we are for testing. We will randomly create one. Add a box here and put a product we just created in it. Then you can select the number of stock, click Save. The draft of this warehousing list has been created. Click Submit. Now the warehousing list is waiting to be accepted. Then refresh it on the phone. You can see that the number of inbound here has changed. Then we can click from the mobile end to perform some offline input operations. We can scan the tracking number here or enter it directly. Tracking number is used for a scan or type in. This is usually placed on the package. This is also a barcode that we directly generate with the number. After scan, you can see some basic information about this box, including the name, products in the box, and the quantity waiting to be received. Here you can click Quick Receive or click Item directly. Here we can see some details of the box. Here we can see the sample and finished product quantity. This can be edited. You can also submit a picture of the box and take a photo here. We will not store this photo in the user's album. It will be deleted directly from the local after that. You can change the amount of standard quantity and damaged quantity of received. Click Receive. At this time, the warehousing list is accepted. You can choose to continue to receive or you can choose to return to home. We choose to click on Home. This number has not changed because the operation just now only changed it from waiting to receive. It did not become complete. You will need to refresh it and see it becomes complete. The step from receive to complete can only be done on the web end. So that's it about inbound. Next, outbound. First, create an outbound order. The same way to choose a shipping label. We choose Upload and Create. This is just a PDF document. Because we are doing testing, it is a very simple content. In fact, the real situation should be in the form of a carton mark. Here, we need to enter the corresponding tracking number. Choose a logistics provider. Here's a hint. See the inbound products just now? Here, you can choose the quantity of the outbound. We choose 2. Here, it can automatically calculate the volume and weight of the outbound boxes. The outbound order is completed. Submit here. It has reached the state of to pick. Refresh the app now. You can see that there is an outbound pick. There is an outbound order pending to pick. You can also scan the tracking number or the barcode. You can also input the information. Select Input here. You can see some basic things about tracking. For example, which order number this inbound order belongs to. But because we did not generate orders, we created them manually in the warehouse. So there is nothing here. Note that some additional information in service means certain operations that need to be carried out. We have not submitted all of these. Then it starts to pick. Now you need to scan for a location of the warehouse where packages are, or simply use quick scan, meaning the operator is ready to pick up. Here you will see that the product location has not been placed at the assigned warehouse location. So we will choose unassigned. Here the quantity for pick can be 1, 2, or more than 2. The number more than 2 means that everything has been picked. Besides manually inputting, you could also click the scan barcode on the right side and you can scan the SKU barcode or RD code. The number adds up every time you scan a code. For example, I created an SKU RD code. The quantity here adds up while I scanned one. Or you could go to quantity directly and add 1 manually. There, I changed it right now. When the quantity for pick outnumbers to be picked, it will be automatically submitted and complete. You can continue to pick the next order or go back to the home page. Orders that are picked will be marked as to pack. Here, it directly goes into to pack. We already have 3 orders here. This is the tracking number. We can either scan or type it in. So let's type it in. We have picked an order just now. The same with packing. The packing staff needs to conduct this input like just now. We can directly input to or scan the barcode. After finishing packing, it can be transmitted to the next area. Since we did not create any area just now, so it's blank here. Then this step is accomplished. Picking involves batch pick and outbound pick. Batch picking is comprised of multiple outbound picks. Here, let me demo how to do this. First, create two outbound orders. Since outbound orders include more than one, create one more outbound order and create another one, then submit. There are two outbound orders now. The order we just submitted does not include any shipment, but we can't leave it blank here, so we can cancel it. Suppose we have existing shipment information. Let's select all and create a batch. A batch has been created. Refresh from the app. We could see there is a batch to be picked. The name of this batch is 001. Click Batch Pick. Enter a location. Likewise, the warehouse staff is ready. There is one product under this batch. There are two in total. We have picking completed just like outbound pick. Regarding stock transfer, let's see transfer. Either scan SKU or enter manually. If the code is long, use scan for convenience. Here you need to enter the quantity and location of the products before and after the transfer. Here you can see the stock and SKU and the warehouse location of a product. There are assigned and unassigned locations. The assigned location is A1-1 and B1-1. We can make a transfer some stock from B1-1 to A1-1. Scan or enter transfer four products from A1-1 to B1-1. Hit submit. Now it's completed. Let's refresh it here. Here is only one. Let's see change. Likewise, enter a location. Enter A1-1. Hit save, change one into the other number. All right, then click submit. And that is all about the WMS functions.